crocodile. And this is Rio, RIO, came from Rio de River, Bacaraos Island, is in the south of Palawan. So this crocodile was purposely captured. He accidentally attacked a native fisherman from the area. It was confirmed he swallowed the right leg of the victim. So he was captured on August 4, 1993, but after 5 months of captivity, he died because of internal bleeding and stress related to transportation. For the skin, it has no commercial value anymore. The one being used for making leather bag, shoes, wallets are made from the skin of the young crocodile, which is 3 to 5 years old only. Rio is estimated 60 years old, so skin now, that is too hard and very dry for the machine to be processed. And before this crocodile, Rio has the record of being the largest crocodile only here in the Philippines. But Lord of the Crocodile, he was once recognized by the Guinness Book of World Record as the largest crocodile. Rio has a length of around 5 meters and Lolo is around 6 meters. 1 meter long was Lolo of the crocodile. So Lolo was captured in 2011 in a Busan del Sur in Mindanao. So hindi po siya pinadala dito sa